In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you want to make sure a hosting plan or subscription does not renew automatically, the process is very quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can find the correct setting without any confusion. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This area gives you access to important account settings, so if you ever need to manage payments or subscriptions, this is usually the first place to check. Once the menu opens, choose Billing. This will take you to the billing section of your account, where you can manage payment-related settings, invoices, and subscription details. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until all the account information appears clearly before moving on. After you're in the billing area, look for the Subscriptions section. This is where Hostinger lists the services that are currently tied to your account. In this section, you should see a column labeled Auto Renewal. This setting controls whether your subscription will renew automatically at the end of the current billing period. To disable Auto Renewal, simply click the option in that Auto Renewal column for the subscription you want to manage. Once you click it, the setting will be turned off. That's it. The subscription will remain active until the end of the paid term, but it will not renew automatically after that. It's a good idea to double-check that the change has been applied successfully. In most cases, the status will update right away so you can confirm that auto-renewal is now disabled. If you manage more than one subscription, make sure you're turning it off for the correct one, and that's all you need to do to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger. It only takes a few clicks. Open your profile icon, go to Billing, find the Subscriptions section, and disable the auto-renewal setting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you can follow the same path anytime you need to review or update your subscription settings.